Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Stage Manager grayed out on Mac. So if you're trying to enable or disable Stage Manager on your Mac, you can see the option is not working. Neither it's turned on or not turned off. It's completely stuck. So in this video, we are going to fix this issue. So before starting with the fixes, first let's understand when the Stage Manager control is grayed out or can't be enabled, the displays has separate space option may be turned off. Stage Manager requires this mission control setting to be enabled. Even after turning it on, macOS requires you to log out before Stage Manager become available. And when the toggle is already on but requires logout is still visible, you must complete the logout process before checking Stage Manager again. So let me show you how you can fix it. First, you have to open system settings, and then in desktop and dock section you have to scroll down all the way in the right side pane, and here make sure to enable the toggle right to displays have separate spaces, and as soon as you enable this option you can see requires logout. So click on the Apple logo and choose logout when the menu prompt. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. You have to log out and log back in, and after that go desktop and dock again and check if the Stage Manager option is start enabling or not. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.